guys, Savvy Tech Girl here. I'm going to make a very simple video for your Mac computer of how we connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so let's take a look here. There's two places that you can go to open your system preferences. You can go to the bottom of your screen and find this little gray icon with a wheel in it. Your second option is to go up to the Apple top left hand corner and click on System Preferences. It's going to open up our screen and you want to go to the network icon. Click on your network icon and you are going to see that we have Wi-Fi here. We also have Ethernet. If I had my computer connected to the cable or the CAT cable going directly to your modem, router, switch, however you have things set up, this would actually be green and it would be blue here showing that we're connected. Wi-Fi, I have it highlighted here, so you can go down and click on whichever one you want. So let's click on Wi-Fi. Network name, you can click on the drop down list beside the network name. It will show all available Wi-Fi connections. Keep in mind your neighbors may show up in this as well, depending on how close their router is, their modem is to your computer. You're going to click on your connection and then when prompted you will enter your password. Once you've entered that, you will be online, you will be on your Wi-Fi. You can also go up to the top and you'll see your Wi-Fi here that will show you that it is connected. Okay guys, so pretty easy. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. SavvyTechGirl@gmail.com. Get me on Twitter at SavvyTechGirl, and you can also get me on Facebook, facebook.com/SavvyTechGirl. Have a great day.